Welcome to our very first Flip It Forward property, where we are taking this house and we are completely transforming it through our HUDU platform, and then we are going to sell it at cost to some lucky buyer who's going to be able to walk into a beautifully renovated home with $20, $30, $40,000 in instant equity. Today we are closing out 21 days since we purchased the property. That's 3 weeks. Now, day one, our team made a bet. How long would it take us to completely renovate this entire house using nothing but HUDU, the odd job marketplace? The bet was 69 days. We're on 21. I think we're gonna smoke that number. It's finally getting warm enough outside where we can get started on some of these projects like the deck. The deck needs completely power washed. The railing needs rebuilt. We're gonna tear out these flower beds over here, do all new landscaping. We've already started with cleaning up the bush that was over here on the side. The place is already looking a lot better. The inside has been our focus since it's been cold, Iowa winters. But now it is time to get started on the outside of the house. Let's go inside and take a peek at what we've been up to. Walking in, this is a huge transformation from where we were on day one. Just finished up the big debate about these floors. I really wanted to go with a nice LVP, 15-year warranty. We put it to a vote. The team, our followers, everyone basically vetoed me and very severely voted against me. As I said, we like to make bets internally. I lost that bet, which means I now have to help this new doer refinish these floors. I am not looking forward to that. This room, aside from electrical, is basically ready for finishes. Once the floors are completely refinished, we're going to put up new trim. Obviously this is just a seal coat on the walls to encapsulate, the 50 years of odor that had built up in this house. It wasn't the most appealing. One thing that hasn't been done in here yet is a lot of these homes that were built in the 60s, there's no lights in the living room. We are putting a ceiling fan right here. So our electrician is getting permits and everything needed to run the new electrical for the ceiling fan, and then our downstairs laundry room and bathroom that we're adding. The bathroom still doesn't look the greatest, but that's because we're waiting on plumbers. So here, let's go into the bathroom. The bathroom's basically been stripped out. Right now it smells like paint, but it's a lot better than what it smelled like before. My very first time walking in this bathroom, I'll never forget it. It is burned into my brain, the smell, the taste. I wish that was something I could erase. This is the main bathroom, very small, the smallest bathroom in the entire house. We stripped everything out. So we're renovating this bathroom. We're adding a shower directly above us in the upstairs bathroom. And then we're adding a bathroom in the basement. This house was built in the 60s. Codes have changed. So we're updating the pipes, the sizes, just getting everything up to code. We're doing everything right in this house. Typical flip properties, you think they come in, they do just a slap together job. That is not what we're doing here. Everything's very high quality, high performing doers, 5 stars all the way. We're not cutting any corners. We've had one new doer come onto the platform since we started this property, and they did a less than 5-star review. In fact, I'd say it's like a 1-star review. We tore it out. We tore out all their work, started over, awarded it to a new doer who's now doing in fact, let's go look at that very work. Watch your step right here. There's a broken stair that needs to be fixed. All right, so if you look back at our previous videos, just coming right up around the corner, this was paneling. We stripped it all off. He drywalled over the paneling nails that were there. He had drywalled over the door casing, like it was really 1-star work. Coming down here to the wall, this was our second viral video we ever produced, his work. He did a horrible job. Go check out the video from previously. As you can see though, this has all been updated, professionally built, not only built to code, but just built to industry standards. This looks really good. I mean, I'm a pretty big guy. That sucker's rock solid. It isn't going anywhere.
Oh, I didn't know you could do that, Derek. Okay, that's okay. All right, well, I'm learning stuff too.
Didn't know how to do what?
You just push on a wall like that, but I guess you should be able to.
It shouldn't move. Yeah, this wall shouldn't go anywhere. That sucker's in there good. That last one, I probably would have fallen, fell out the window. It would have been bad. The guy did create a little bit more work for us, but that's why we're doing this. That's why we're doing Flip It Forward, is as HUDU expands into new markets, We want to be able to go in, vet and verify those early stage doers, create this content, create the flip it forward show in their market, get it out there, and really show people what's possible with our platform. Because as we always tease, if it's legal, you can list it. And the sky really is the limit with what you can get done on this platform. So this is becoming a bathroom up here. Bathroom wall. There's going to be a new shower that goes right here. I learned something from all of our plumbers that have came over. The toilet, you have to have 30 inches of clearance all in. So when you're sitting on that toilet, you have to have 30 inches, which means from the center of your toilet to your finished drywall, you have to have 15 inches. This would have given 14. So this comes up, gets moved over an inch, we'll be good to go.
I'm looking behind you. I see Milwaukee and DeWalt. Do you have opinions on these brands?
I do. If one of them wanted to sponsor us, I wouldn't turn down either one. But I'm a Milwaukee guy all day long. However, DeWalt makes some good tools too. So if I had to pick between the two, I'm going Milwaukee all day.
Which ones suck?
I'm not going to say that. I'm not going to say that. All these walls are going to get glazed. They're going to be really nice finish when they're done. Closets all getting drywalled. This knee wall will get drywalled. I think we're going to put carpet up here. I think we're going to do carpet in the upstairs bedroom. We're going to stick with wood stairs. I think we're going to resurface these stairs, take off the top stair treads, put down new stair treads. Again, our whole focus here, we're not looking to make money. We're going to take the purchase price plus the renovation cost, and that's the dollar amount we're selling this house for. We're not looking to make a dollar. Not going to make any profit. We want to give some lucky buyer instant equity. We're going to let them walk into a beautifully renovated house with $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 in instant equity. How epic is that? All right, again, watch yourself coming down these stairs.
I feel like it's Modern Family where you always trip on the same stair.
The kitchen, look at the previous pictures. Now though, it's looking fresh, it's looking bright. We took out, there was a wall, just a little walkthrough right here. This is a non-load bearing wall. We took out the wall. We're going to reframe it back in to where it's the same elevation as the existing bulkhead for the dining room into the living room. This will all be opened up. We're going to put cabinets and countertop right here so you have a nice open concept. You could sit at the bar right here. Nobody really uses a formal dining room these days, and we wanted to utilize as much of the space as possible. This also gives we're hoping to sell it to a young family, and if they're just getting started in their career or whatever, maybe they don't have room for an office, they've got kids or whatever, they could sit at the kitchen counter. It's a nice workspace area. Kitchen's getting completely renovated, new appliances, new cabinets, the whole 9 yards. It's going to look really good. Right here, so earlier I mentioned our second viral video, which was the drywall framing upstairs. This was our first viral video, this fan. We're gonna pull this bad boy out and we're gonna chrome dip this sucker. It's gonna look nice. I can't believe how many people jumped on the fan bandwagon. It was like, I have one of those, I love it. It's the best exhaust fan ever. So the stove was gonna go over there. We were gonna take this out. Now the stove is going either right here, somewhere in here. I haven't seen the new designs for the kitchen. The fan is staying, and this is gonna be the functional chrome dipped, super nice exhaust fan. We wrestled with chrome or powder coating, and I think chrome is just gonna pop. All the appliances for the kitchen have already been purchased. They're all really nice stainless appliances. I think it's gonna look good. Let's go check out the basement. Now, it still looks a little bit like a dungeon, but it's come a long way. Follow me. No broken stairs to worry about here. It looks a little bit better down here every time I come down. New bathroom going right here. We got people to come in, cut this concrete, $1,000. Our initial bids on this were running in the $4,000 range, which is completely nuts. This guy was here for 3 hours, cut out all this concrete, removed it, hauled it away, $1,000. That's pretty good money. The new bathroom goes right here, vanity, toilet, shower. We had these walls waterproofed and sealed, looking really good. They were really grimy, dingy yellow when we bought the house. We don't want to cut corners. Would a typical flipper came in and sealed these walls? I don't know. But we did because it's the right thing to do and we want to make sure moisture isn't seeping in. My favorite part of probably every house we ever do is going to be the laundry room. Now, I'm a single dad. I've got 3 kids and I feel like I am always doing laundry. I am going to turn this into a sweet little laundry room for the new owners. All I'm going to tell you is that washer and dryer are going to go right here. And then the rest of this entire space is going to be turned into a beautiful, bright, clean laundry room, high utility places to fold and hang and store, and I'm looking forward to it. Let's go outside and check out what this place is going to look like. So for those of you who've been following along, something's missing. The tree's down and gone. It's a little muddy, but let's walk out here and take a peek at it. It is gone, ground down. I mean, you can't even feel where that stump was. Wow, I'm really impressed. We got professional bids on this tree. $3,750 was the average. They all came in right about $3,500, $3,700. I cannot believe this. $775. Was it $775 or $750? $775 to have a 33-foot tree taken down. He's licensed, insured, came in, had the tree cut down and was gone within 3-4 hours. Came back, ground down the stump. As a homeowner, that is cost savings. Now, we are going to get this backyard cleaned up. We're going to turn it into a nice play area for the new family, the kids. We're going to get it nice, flat, graded. We've got the grading currently listed on HUDU. The grading is coming in at more than the tree removal, which is crazy. Imagine being able to sit out here, back patio, you know, having $20,000, $30,000 equity in your house, you know, just enjoying the sunset, maybe drinking a Corona, nice microbrew. We'll see. Let me grab my keys. I want to show you guys something. The garage is full of building materials right now, but let's open it up and take a peek inside. All right, ignore the mess. Check out this truck. So it's closing day. We've closed on the house. The guy's still here. We come by at like 11, he's still here. The house is technically ours, he's not supposed to be there. All right, we'll come back. We come back at like 4, he's still here. It's like we come in, introduce ourselves. There's vehicles in the driveway, there's all kinds of stuff in the house. He was still there for like 2 more days. Anyway, he couldn't get this sucker started, so he gave it to us. Now, we haven't quite figured out what we're going to do with it, but we're definitely going to use HUDU to fix it up, find out what's wrong with it. We put a new battery in it. We tried to jump start it. We can't even get power, but this is going to be fun. So maybe we'll have a Flip It Forward truck edition.
New series.
It's a 2009 F-150 King Ranch.